Are you tired of staring at a blank page, dreading that essay deadline that's creeping up on you? What if I told you there's a secret weapon that can help you write your assignments in seconds, completely free and totally safe to use? No, this isn't science fiction. Stick around because I'm about to blow your mind and change the way you do schoolwork forever. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We've all been there, right? Juggling multiple classes, part-time jobs, a social life, and then, bam! A 10-page research paper is due tomorrow. The stress is real. I remember nights fueled by nothing but coffee and panic, trying to string together coherent sentences. But what if there was a smarter way to work, not just harder? Today, we're diving deep into a game-changing AI tool that's been my saving grace. And no, I'm not talking about just copy-pasting from a website. We're talking about a sophisticated AI that acts as your personal writing assistant, helping you brainstorm, outline, draft, and even polish your work. And the best part? It's designed to be a learning tool, not a cheating tool. It helps you understand the material better while speeding up the tedious parts of writing. Let's get right into it. The tool is called Insert Tool Name here, and you can find it completely free. I'll drop the link in the description below, of course. Now, when you first open it up, the interface is super clean and intuitive. No confusing buttons or complicated menus. You're greeted with a simple prompt box. This is where the magic begins. Let's say I have to write an essay about the impact of the Industrial Revolution on urban society. Instead of spending hours sifting through textbooks, I can just type that topic into the AI. But here's the pro tip. Don't just put the topic. Be specific. I'll type something like, generate a detailed outline for an essay on the social and economic impacts of the Industrial Revolution on 19th century urban centers, including key points on population growth, housing conditions, and the rise of the middle class. Watch this. In less than 10 seconds, boom, a complete structured outline. It gives me an introduction, 3 solid body paragraphs with supporting points for each, and a conclusion. This isn't just a list of ideas. It's a roadmap for my entire essay. This alone saves me at least an hour of brainstorming and planning. But it gets even better. Now that I have my outline, I can take each point and ask the AI to help me expand on it. For my first body paragraph about population growth, I can ask it, expand on the point, rapid urbanization and population influx from rural areas with historical context and examples. And look at that! It generates a well-written paragraph explaining the concept, referencing the enclosure movement, and the search for factory work. Now, here's the most important part, and I can't stress this enough. You don't just copy and paste this. That's plagiarism, and it defeats the purpose. You use this as a superpowered draft. You read it, you understand it, and then you rewrite it in your own words. Add your own voice, your own analysis, and integrate the facts you've learned from your class materials. Think of the AI as your brilliant research assistant who hands you all the information perfectly organized, and your job is to be the author who weaves it all together. Let's talk about the safe aspect, because I know that's a huge concern. Many professors use advanced plagiarism detectors. The amazing thing about this tool is that the content it generates is original. It's not pulling sentences from Wikipedia. It's synthesizing information and creating new text. However, the real safety comes from how you use it. By using it as a foundation to rewrite and build upon, you are creating a 100% unique piece of work that is genuinely yours. It's about augmenting your intelligence, not replacing it. Let me show you another cool feature. Let's say you've written a paragraph, but it sounds a bit clunky. You can paste your own writing into the AI and ask it to rephrase this paragraph to sound more academic, or check this for grammar and clarity. It's like having a 24/7 proofreader on call. It can help you find better words, fix awkward phrasing, and ensure your arguments are crystal clear. This is an incredible way to improve your own writing skills over time, because you see examples of how to make your work stronger. I've even used it for things beyond essays. Need to create a presentation? Ask it to generate bullet points for a 10-slide PowerPoint on photosynthesis? Need to prepare for a debate? Ask it to provide arguments for and against a specific topic. The possibilities are honestly endless. It's a universal tool for any subject, from history and literature to biology and economics. Now I want to be very clear about the ethics of using a tool like this. The goal of education is to learn and develop critical thinking skills. This AI should be your partner in that process, not a shortcut to avoid it. Use it to overcome writer's block, to organize your thoughts, and to understand complex topics more quickly. Don't use it to have a robot do all your work while you learn nothing. The real power is in using this technology to become a more efficient and effective student. You still need to do the reading, you still need to attend the lectures, and you still need to understand the material. This tool just helps you present what you know in the best possible way. Let's run through one more quick example. I'll pretend I have a literary analysis essay on The Great Gatsby. My prompt could be, generate key themes about the American dream in The Great Gatsby, with examples from the text. Look, it immediately gives me themes like the corruption of the dream, old money versus new money, and the illusion of happiness. It even suggests looking at characters like Gatsby and the Buchanans. This is a perfect starting point for my analysis. I can then use these ideas to guide my reading and note-taking, making my study time so much more focused. So, is this the future of homework? I absolutely think so. Tools like this are becoming more and more integrated into our lives, and learning how to use them responsibly is a skill in itself. It's about leveraging technology to free up your mental energy for the things that really matter, like deep thinking, analysis, and creativity. Give it a try. The link is in the description. Play around with it for your next assignment. Start small. Use it to create an outline or rephrase a tricky sentence. See how it feels. I promise you, once you start using it the right way, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. It's a total game changer for reducing stress and improving the quality of your work. That's all for today, everyone. I hope this was super helpful. Let me know in the comments if you've ever used an AI tool for your schoolwork and what your experience was like. What other student hacks do you want me to cover? I love hearing from you all. If you found this video valuable, please give it a huge thumbs up. It really helps the channel out. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more tips to make your student life easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.